Guys, welcome back to the shop. My name is Doug, and I need some soft jaws. I got a part that I test made. I thought I could hold it light enough in my forejaw, but I had to indicate it to do a turn on the lathe, and the part has some gnarly pits in it from the jaws. This is a project or something I needed to do years ago, just never have, because I've never really needed to hold aluminum or anything in my forejaw that I've had for 2 years and I've never had on the lathe because I got an adjustable 3 jaw, and so I've never needed to indicate anything that much to offset center to do a turn. So I've never made them. I've seen a bunch of videos. Like Randy Richard, I think it has the best video of making a set of these. So I got a piece of, I think, 1.25 inch copper tubing. I cut them ish. They're nowhere close to the same size, but you know, they are what they are. I'm gonna get these split, get them hammered out flat. I'll probably anneal them with my propane torch. Then we'll take them over there to the lathe and fit them on the jaw, because I know there's some cutting I need to do to them to get them to bend around so they'll basically slide on, snap on, whatever you want to call it. And I'll probably wind up just leaving them on that forejaw, because that way they don't get lost, right? Okay, so this is my little setup that I built about 3-4 years ago. This is my Milwaukee portaband, and I built this a good 4 years ago. Oops. It's a little light, so I do have to clamp it down to the table when I go to push on something. And I do have it on the floor on a foot pedal. I get those foot pedals at Harbor Freight. And so we'll get set up here and get these 4 pieces cut. Actually, I'm going to make another set for my 3-jaw right over there. So I just might as well do them both at the same time so I can have them. Everything always goes to the chip pan. So now I'll just split that right there in those little marks that was sticking out, and those will get bent over to lock down onto the jaw. And they'll basically just live on there. But you can see how gnarly this chuck is. I don't think this chuck has ever been used, and it just destroys whatever you put in there. But I also got a center mark on it to help me kind of line it up. And I'm using an old drill bit. Yeah, from what I'm seeing with these jaws, I'm limiting myself on what I can hold. That's a 9/16 bit, and it's loose, so I'm gonna be pretty limited on what I can hold in here. Well, I think it'll work. I mean, I got bigger pieces than that to hold. But like I said, I'm limited on what I can hold, but I have other ways to hold things. I still have my 3-jaw, and it's adjustable. And now I just purchased the ER40 collets. So, and the little the square block and the hex lock, so I have that to hold also. But yeah, I think it'll work. I had a piece of stainless in there. I'm sure I could get them off, but I'd have to bend them. Plus, I'd tighten them up, and you know these jaws are just gnarly. Look at that. So I imagine they're in there. All right, guys. Get back to the job that I was doing that I needed these for, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and I think I'm going to do a pretty good giveaway for it. So, hey, we'll see you in the next one.